Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can use digital guides resource center for Alterna Bank. So if you'd like to use the digital guides resource center within the bank, you may follow up these steps. You can go to the Alterna website, which is alterna.ca. After that, you can select the personal option. For that, look out for the three horizontal lines in the top left, tap on it and you should be finding an option for personal. You can drop that option, and once you are into this personal section of your bank here, when you drop it down, you'll be finding different options. You can look out for the option of resource center and tap on it, and here you'll be finding a bunch of topics available. You can look for a guide by scrolling through the list of topics, and then you can select up an option of a topic. You can just go ahead and do so. For example, digital banking guides. Once you click on the desired title, you can open it up like this on your screen, and here you can find step-by-step instructions or explanations that you would prefer. So you can look out for paying bills, transfer, deposit, managing your account. You can select any of the option available. So for example, let's say new member login. You can tap on it, tap on learn more, and you will be taken to their page. Here you can select the option for online banking or mobile banking, any of the method available, and there you will be provided with the guide or resource that you're looking for. So you can look out for the instructions or explanation step-by-step tutorial here available. You can just go and read it out. After that, you can just go ahead and use this methods available for online and mobile banking. There are many topics in the digital guides that have a learn more link next to them, which takes you more to a detailed guide on that specific function. You can just go ahead and use the search functionality even within the resource center to find the exact information you are looking for. So these are the methods you can apply up. If you'd like to do so, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.